Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on the Toca Boca World game. So let's get started right away. First of all, when you open up the Toca Boca World game on your device, you will not be prompted to log in or sign up in order to play the game, which means that you can directly tap on the play button to continue enjoying your game. However, if you wish to restart the game or log out from your current progress, then within the main menu you will see an undo shaped button. If you tap on this button, you will be asked whether you would like to reset your Toca Boca World. In order to confirm this, go ahead and tap on the reset button. And now this will reset your world right away, which means that all of your previous progress has now been removed. You can then tap on the play button in order to start playing your new game right away. After starting your new game, you will notice that all of your previous progress has now been replaced, and you can now enjoy your game all the way from the beginning. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your current game and progress within the Toca Boca World game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.